Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon PIXMA TS6550i. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any of the button presses I make very clear so you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like to change it to. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. As you see the copy icon at the top. If you're not already here, press the home button to be taken here. Now we just press down until we get to settings. So that's 3 presses of down to take us from copy, and you'll see settings selected with a little cog symbol on the left, so you'll know that's the right one. Let's press OK to go into that. Now from this menu we need to go into device settings, which is the second option down with a printer icon illustrating it. And within device settings, the language option is quite far down the page, so I'm going to count all of the downward button presses till we get there. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 presses to get us to language. And we press OK to go in. And here we have a complete list of all of the different languages your printer uses. So we just navigate this with the up and down arrows till we get to the language we want, and then press OK to select it. Once more for confirmation and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.